everyone, this is a review, audit, and tutorial of the JavaScript Volatility Trading Bot v4. That's the version 4 of it. This bot, a little about what it does. It detects like any kind of downwards volatility, and it'll sell into a stable coin. And the minute it detects it's stabled out, it'll sell the stable coin and buy back into the original coin. And it'll just repeat the process, and that's how it kind of stacks up whichever coin you choose. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the link up in the description to download the zip file of the bot, or you can go to GitHub and get it. That'll be also up there. And once you unzip the folder, you'll have these files. And keep in mind, this is purely written JavaScript. There's nothing installed on your computer. It just runs straight inside your web browser when you run it locally. It basically just runs inside your web browser and makes Web3 calls for the trading. So keep in mind, you do have to have what I've been using as a laptop, because you do have to keep the web browser open for it to actually run. So you'd want it on a device that you could leave open and leave the web browser running. So keep that in mind when you download and put it on there. But once you unzip it, you'll have these files here in the config file. This is where we're going to configure the bot. So we can open that into text editor. And this is where we're going to get the stable coins. Now the default is for the stable coin for Ethereum is USDC. If you choose Ethereum right here, the network. So 1 would be Ethereum, 2 would BNB, and 3 would be Polygon. Now for the stable coin for BNB, it's preset at BUSD. And for Polygon, it's preset for USDC coin, but it's on the Polygon, the POS. So it's on that. So if you wanted to choose a different stablecoin, you could do that by just simply changing the contract address here of the stablecoin. Now keep in mind, the stablecoin has to be on the same chain. You can't say, I'm going to run Ethereum and my stablecoin is BUSD. You can't do that. It has to be on the same chain. So keep that in mind. The default setting seems to be fine. USDC, I preferably like that. It's supposed to be backed dollar by dollar, so that's one of my favorite stable coins. So to configure this, you're gonna I created a test private address and the matching private key for it, but you're gonna want to input your public address that you want to use that has whichever cryptocurrency that you're going to be using. I went with Ethereum in my test, and the default setting is set for Ethereum, which is right here, the network, which is set for 1, and the max spend, and I actually didn't mess with the max spend, I kept it there. I had the max spend of 0.5 Ethereum in there, but I assume you can adjust that to wherever your preference is. And I should tell, so the max spend is, it'll only spend no matter how much you have in this wallet here that you're giving, it will only spend this much used in trading. So if you want to spend less or more, then you can change that. Keep in mind, you have to have that amount in the wallet you're providing for the bot to run. So once I have the public address and the private key to that address, I'm going to save it. Oh, also, if you have a private key or a wallet that's very hard to get the private key, like a hardware wallet, you can put your wallet seed in here, right here. I've never done this before because I've always just had a wallet that's easy to get the private seed for. So once you have that all saved, you're going to hit save. Close that. And then you're going to go to index HTML. You're going to keep in mind, I'm using Windows 10. It could be different on a Mac or something. I'm going to go to open, and I'm going to choose a web browser. I did my testing on Firefox, so I'm going to do that here too. And up here, you're going to go to, this is a little button here. You're going to go to Run Bot to start the bot. And it's actually running, but it threw up an error because my wallet that I provided has 0 Ethereum in it. So it's saying wallet balance less than max spend, which it is. But this is how you would configure it. And if it had Ethereum in the wallet right now, it would be running. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, and also when there is an error, the bot will stop the bot. So it will stop it automatically. It won't run if there's an error or detect something wrong. and it won't make a trade unless it's unless there's profit in it. So you can keep that in mind. So this is pretty much how you configure the bot. So I'm going to go into my testing. I ran it for 28 days. This is my starting Ethereum. Now keep in mind I had the bot set for 0.5, so it only utilized 0.5 of my wallet. And this is ending after 28 days. Keep in mind, the more volatility the market is, the more this bot's going to make. And it's been pretty volatile lately. So made a hefty profit. And this is actually the person who made the bot, the Blocky Coder X, which that's the GitHub I'm posting the link to. He actually won 4th place at the annual Blockathon, and he's asking for anyone who enjoyed this bot, if you do go to the Blockathon next year, to make sure you vote for him. I mean, he did provided this for free for everyone. It's open source and free, so if you do go there, please give him your vote, and maybe we can get him to get 1st place next year. And please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my videos, and thank you for watching.